Hi, I am Snow.
Hello, I am Bella. Hi friends, welcome back. Today, we're going on a learning adventure. We'll find colors, count numbers, and play with shapes. Are you ready? Let's go! Learn colors. Look, I found something. It's red. Can you say red? Red. It's a red ball. Wow, now I see something blue. What else is blue? It's a blue car. Say the color again. Blue. And here's something yellow. It's a cute yellow duck. Say the color again. Yellow. Learn numbers. Bella, what's in this basket? These are my toys in the basket. Wow, you have so many toys. Can I count them? Sure, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, Bella, you have 5 toys. Learn shapes. Look, Snow, a circle. It's round. Yeah, like the moon in the night sky. Square, 4 sides. Like a picture frame on the wall. Triangle, 3 sides. Like a slice of pizza. Yummy. Shapes are all around us. Can you spot them where you are? Let's play a quick game. I'll show you something, and you tell me what it is. A color, a number, or a shape. Here's the first one. What do you see? Great! And here's another one. What is it? You are amazing at learning. Give yourself a big smile. Bye. See you in the next learning video.